What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I have a product that was sent to me free for review from GoPlus, and this is their 2-in-1 folding treadmill for stand-up desks. So this is a really interesting product. It retails for a little over $300. It comes in blue, red, and gray. The version I have is blue, and I'll have a link down below in the description if you're interested in purchasing one for yourself on Amazon. So this is a really cool product. I've been testing it out for a bit at work and having my coworkers test it out as well. So I feel like I've put it through its paces, and now I want to go over some of the specs of this product and talk about how my experience has been while using it. So without further ado, let's get to the review. So this is a low profile treadmill that is only a few inches off the ground, so it's pretty easy to move around and to store away like under a sofa. It doesn't raise or elevate at an angle, it always stays in this flat position. So it features two modes for walking and running. So if you keep the riser handle folded down, it will allow you to slide it under a stand-up desk really easily, and then you can go to a maximum of 4 kilometers an hour, which is around 2.5 miles per hour. Oh yeah, and speaking of kilometers, all the display settings like distance and speed are in kilometers, just a heads up. So when it's in this walk mode, this works great for taking a brisk walk while at your stand-up desk, at work, maybe answering emails, getting your work done at your computer, while you're just getting a light walk in. And so the next mode is run mode, and the only difference here is that when you raise up the riser handle, it allows you to increase the speed all the way up to 12 kilometers an hour, which is about 7.5 miles per hour. This is fast enough to get a nice jog in, and if your stand-up desk is high enough, you could still slip it under the desk and get a run while you watch something on your computer. For safety, it does include a magnetic security clip, which you can attach to like your clothing in case you fly off the treadmill. It'll stop immediately. Now there's an LED display on the base, which shows you information like time, your speed, distance, and calories burned. And like I said before, these are all going to be in kilometers. It alternates between these settings, so you can't specify what you want to see when you want to see it. You just have to basically keep your eyes on it until it rotates to the statistic that you're looking for. For controlling the treadmill, you'll have to use this small, simple remote. And so on the remote, there's only a start and pause button and the speed adjust buttons. That's it. And there's no place on the riser to store the remote while you're on it, because you'll have to be able to control the treadmill while the riser's folded down in walk mode. So you'll just have to hold it in your hand, or you can leave it on top of your desk if you're using it with a stand-up desk. If you lose this remote, there is no way to control or use this treadmill. It's basically useless. They do sell a replacement remote though, which you can pair with this treadmill. If you lose or damage the included remote, it only costs around $10, and I'll put a link in the description down below as well if you need to purchase one for yourself. So on the riser, it does include a phone holder that is adjustable to different sizes of phones in case you want to watch something on your phone while you walk or jog. Another interesting feature that you can use with this treadmill is it has a built-in Bluetooth speaker in case you want to listen to music or the video off of your phone and you don't have your headphones with you. You can just play it right off the treadmill speaker itself. One other thing to note is the power cable that is included with the treadmill. It's pretty short. It's probably around 3 feet long, so you'll need to get an extension cable to plug it in depending on your setup. So now let's talk about actually using this treadmill. It's a pretty great experience. It has good shock absorption even for a big guy at my size. The actual running area is smaller than the average treadmill, as you would expect. It's about 40 inches long by 16 inches wide, which can feel a bit narrow at times, especially for a wider person like myself. But after using it a few times, I felt comfortable and I got used to using it. The 2.25 horsepower motor running the belt is pretty quiet when it's running without someone jogging on it. But once someone gets on it and starts running at 6 to 12 kilometers per hour, it's going to be making the usual treadmill noise. So I wouldn't get your hopes up to use this in an open work area with other people around you if you want to jog. They're not going to be big fans of yours. But if you just want to take a light walk while it's in walking mode, then it is quiet enough so as to not disturb others around you. And I work in an open office space with about 20 plus people around me, so we tested this out in a real work environment, so I know this from experience. But if you do have your own office, it'd be easy just to close the door and you can go into jog mode and you're not going to be annoying your neighbors next to you because it's not that loud. So overall, this has been a really nice product, and like I said, I've been testing this out and using this at my job with my coworkers, and they have been having a blast with it. People are constantly taking it away from me and trying to use it at their desks or in their office. So definitely it's a popular item here at my office, and everyone seems to love it. So if you guys are looking for something like this, the price point on this one is a little over $300, which is pretty average if you look on Amazon and other similar types of products. But I don't know if all those products have some of the features this one will have, like the built-in speaker and things like that. So if you guys want to check out this product, I'll put a link down below in the description to make that really easy for you to find. I have an affiliate link down there which helps support me and the channel. And if you guys want to check out some of my other reviews, I'll have 2 other clips over here that you can click on. And if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all my new reviews as they drop on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video review.